Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. Where in the world is my... Oh, boy. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Why is this stuff always disappearing on me? We are here. We are now ready to go. We're looking good. Who do we have first in the chat today? We got Bender first in the chat. Bender, Wingro, Justin, Shabro, Justin, Bender, Ray, Tim, Shabro, Bender, J-Bones, Tim, J-Bones, Shabro, Tim, Outdoor, Justin, Bender, Shay, Dark Bro, Tim, J-Bones, Dark Bro, Bender, Justin, Bender, Wingro, Dark Bro, Tim, Bender, Outdoor, Tim, Wingro. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. AMC closing the day 3.85% higher, $4.99. Shiba Inu coin sideways all afternoon long, 1139 points per coin. Having some trouble at the 1150 point per coin resistance level now. GameStop sitting at 1432 after hours, closing the day at 1425. Bitcoin, it looks sideways, but Bitcoin is coming back down, all right? 5-minute chart shows it a little bit better here. Bitcoin going up nicely, hitting $64,210, falling back quickly. And then, of course, setting up a support right now. So watch this $60,000 level. I don't know if it's going to be able to make it, if it's going to break it, or what's going to happen there. So watch $60,000 on Bitcoin. Very, very important. NASDAQ pullback today, 0.5%. You got Dogecoin soaring 20% higher right now, 11.44 cents on Dogecoin. Ethereum 32.90. It is still up on the day, but slightly up on the day. Shiba Inu coin 11.41. Bitcoin $60,078. You've got the SPY closing 506.19, down 0.15% today. QQQ down 0.53% today, 435. Mullinato 711, Sundial $1.38, Netflix $5.96, Highcraft Mining $1.91, MPW 418, Tesla 202, Amazon 173, and Apple 181 with some volatility after hours. So watch out. I don't know what's going on with this volatility here, but Apple throwing some volatility up on the screen right there, and we're gonna watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. 60,091, 101. Let's just call it $60,100 per coin. Hey bro, only 2 minutes late today. Not bad. I'm getting better, aren't I, Tim? I'm getting a little bit better. Click the like button. Listen to Justin. Wangro, it is up by 16% for the day. I missed what we're talking about, man. I don't know. A bunch of Pepe, and I don't know what to do. I'm a stock guy, but I have this Pepe money in my wallet. I forgot I had it. Wangro, everything's up today, right? If Bitcoin begins to pull back pretty heavy, I would say Pepe is going to be pulling back pretty heavy as well. The crazy thing is, okay, Bitcoin has been seeing massive, massive strength over the last 3 days. A lot of people are expecting a little bit of a pullback. But, dude, I mean, we've been expecting that here as it leveled out. We could be expecting it here, and it might just continue ripping higher. So I really don't know which direction Pepe or Shib or Bitcoin is going to go in the short term. Longer term, I'm bullish, right? But with such wild strength over the last couple of days, a lot of people, analysts included, do expect some sort of a pullback to be taking place there. If you expect it, all right, man, Pepe might be looking pretty expensive. But if you expect the rally to continue on, oh my goodness, I think the gains could continue on. As long as people stay excited and as long as people think that what we're getting into is a nice rally and not, of course, the bubble getting ready to pop. Nobody out there, I haven't even seen articles talking about the bubble popping yet, dude. So I think like, long term, we got a decent ways to go. The 2025 bull market rally, I'm sure, still has a long ways to go. But in terms of current price action, yeah, dude, I would be a little nervous entering or holding right at the moment. After that, though, I do want to see where that T-coin, right before I started the live, that T-coin was selling off. I want to check where that's at real quick, just in case. If it is back down in the teens, I am going to add a little bit more. I hope it's not back down there, but it did have a decent sell-off taking place. So I want to see where that's at. right now since it was selling off there. This one. All right, $23.97. You had a couple $1,000 and $2,000 sales right here. Bots coming in. Bots trading pretty heavy on this one. $1,500 sale, $1,600 sale, $1,000, $1,200 buy. But this guy right here, Hez CT, seems like he's shaving pretty heavy. I don't know what he owns or if he owns any more now. All right, seems as though that guy got out. Yeah, seems as though that guy got out. All right, well, shoot, man. You know, he's allowed to get out. I don't know where he bought in. I don't know where he got out at. But at least he exited in 3 different positions there instead of going out and straight dumping. But that Hez wallet, 16, 12, 12, 13. He did have quite a bit, and he ended up stepping out. So, goodbye to you, Hez. I wish you would have held, but you did not hold. Now, somebody else can go in and get a decent opportunity there. At a $1.1 million market cap, knowing this bad boy was at like a $12 million market cap a couple of days ago. It's got a lot of potential to get back up to this level. Got a nice little head and shoulders going on, but I did see that. Just wanted to check it to make sure that it wasn't dumping off into the teens. And, of course, I could grab some more. I did. Awesome job. Something. That bangle be purdy, too. Heck yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Definitely. I'm officially playing with house money on Bitcoin. If it rips, I'm good. If it dives, I'm buying more, baby. Heck yeah, Tim. There you go. Hero, urgent. Please help. Do I swap my Pepe and send it to my exchange? I forgot how to manage this stuff. Well, Wayne Grow, you can, right? That's what I was just talking about there. I don't know what Bitcoin is going to be doing right this second. Bitcoin right now, it's coming back down. You can clearly see that 59.9, Shiba Inu coin curling back over as well. And what I was just getting done talking about here is this nice daily run we've been having. It is still intact. Right? We're wicking up pretty heavy, but pulling back pretty heavy today. We didn't pull back as heavy on these other candles that you can see here. So I do think that people are getting a little nervous at these levels. It's indicated by how big that wick is. Now, let's look at Pepe specifically real quick. And we'll see what Pepe is doing here. Pepe, man. Dude, Pepe, right near all-time highs, okay? $1.2 billion market cap. Pepe was up to a $7 billion market cap. This isn't doing too much justice here because this is showing you an all-time high price of 32, and this is showing you an all-time high price of 32 today. But I know for a fact this was like a $1.7 billion market cap because we were watching it the day that it happened. So it was slightly higher than the market cap you're seeing right now. I'll say this, man. Wayne Grow. If it breaks that resistance level, you're most likely going to see a very nice run because every single holder is going to be making money. Everybody is going to be profitable. And when everybody's profitable and there's no resistance levels on the screen, things tend to absolutely rip. You know, I can't necessarily compare Pepe to Bonk because Bonk ripped up to the current levels that Pepe is at right now. But man, if Pepe is the new meme coin, if Pepe is the new Doge or Shib and so on, 1 billion is nothing compared to the 40, 50 billion that Doge and Shib were able to reach in 2021. So I wouldn't want to tell you to sell it now, but dude, at the same time, it is at that all-time high. It is starting to curl back over at the time that Bitcoin is starting to curl back over. So I know it might be annoying, man. You might be looking for an actual answer. I'm giving you these things to contemplate, okay? On one hand, a billion, if this is the new meme coin and it begins to break to an all-time high, it could absolutely rip, especially if Bitcoin continues to rip and the bull market is on. On the other hand, Bitcoin is already curling over. People seem to be a little bit nervous looking at the wick on today's candle for Bitcoin. Pepe getting rejected at the same level that it got rejected at before. All of these are indicators that it might not have the buying power right now to break out to the upside And you might see a very quick drop down back 50% to these levels that it was trading at just a couple of days ago. So, Wayne Grow, unfortunately, man, I can't make that decision for you, but hopefully I've kind of laid out, the pros and cons and things you should contemplate in order to make that decision there. I'm up thousands. I'd rather have the money right now. Do it then. I'll do it. All right, Wayne Grow. Perfect, man. Perfect. You answered the question. I can easily help you with the other part. Now, I do not know where you hold your Pepe. Okay, that part I do not know. If you've got it in like a Trust wallet, a MetaMask wallet, and so on. Let's see, Uniswap. All right, so you're gonna be able to pull up Uniswap, and all right, this is just, let's go here. So if Pepe is tradable on Uniswap, I do not have my wallet connected, and I am not going to connect my wallet. But this is the page you are going to see. You can either do this on the computer, or you can do this on your phone if you want, through your Trust wallet, through your MetaMask, and so on. Let's go copy this address. Now, when you connect your wallet, you should just be able to search Pepe or whatever, and it's going to show you that you have Pepe in your wallet. So it's not going to show me I have any Pepe because I don't have a wallet connected. But what I'm going to do is come down here, and I'm going to search for Pepe. This is Pepe. Now you click it. You're going to have like total balance or whatever show up right here. Thousands of dollars worth, right? Depending on how much you want to do, you can just simply type the number in, okay? You don't have $300,000. Maybe you got that much, right? You got $3,200 worth. You can either type the number of Pepe in. There might be a little max, 25, 50, 75% max that you can click. And just select the number of Pepe. From there, it's up to you. The coins are a little volatile today, but you can choose Ethereum. You're going to be able to choose USDC. You're going to be able to choose USDT. Now, USDC and USDT, those are stable coins. Those are basically dollar for dollar. They're not going to move anymore. Ethereum, I mean, it is a little volatile, but you know what Ethereum is, right? So if you've got that much Pepe, I don't even know what that number is right there, but if you've got that much Pepe, you basically have one full Ethereum worth. After that, you can see down here, it's going to cost you $23.87 in gas fees to make this happen. So you need to make sure that you've got at least $24.90 in Ethereum in your wallet to make that transfer happen. When you do, when you're ready, and your wallet is connected, this button is going to say swap. You're going to click swap, and then it's going to pull up confirmation, blah, blah, blah. Check your fees, make sure you have enough gas in your wallet, make sure you have enough Ethereum in your wallet, I should say, to cover the gas fees and network fees, and then you click confirm. Then you're going to have this much Ethereum in your wallet. Once you have the Ethereum in there, you're simply going to send it over to an exchange. Now, that depends, because you could have, whatever exchange you're using might already have Pepe on it, and you don't have to swap it for Ethereum if you don't want to. But once you want to swap, or once you want to send it to your exchange, simply open up your Coinbase wallet, right? Click receive Ethereum, copy that contract address, or copy your wallet address, and then paste it in your you're going to open up your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. You're going to click send Ethereum, and then you're going to paste that address and send it to your Coinbase wallet. If you need more help on how to send that, I mean, I can try to break it down a little bit better, but let me know from there, man. Hopefully, Wayne Grow, hopefully that helped, and you're able to get those thousands of dollars into something a little bit more stable and into a centralized exchange so you can cash it out. And then clearly when you go to cash it out, let's say you're on crypto.com or whatever, you're just going to sell it. You're going to click sell. If you're on Coinbase, you're going to sell it. You're just going to click sell. And then it's going to put it in your exchange in US dollars. From there, you can just withdraw it to your bank account. Send to my wallet, 10% for the big guy. Yeah, send it to Outdoor Smart. Don't send it to anybody's wallet except your own. Let's see, Doge is rallying. Will Shib follow behind? Giovanni, I hope so. But I don't know why Dogecoin is outpacing Shib today. I really don't, man. You know, Bitcoin Bitcoin just dropped to 59, tested that support again, but bounced back nicely. Shiba Inu coin kind of following along right there, testing that support at 1,100 points per coin, bouncing back nicely. Dogecoin is the winner for the day, though, man. This is one of the largest coins, but it is still one of the largest performers of the larger coins. An 18% gain on the day. It was up like 20. No, that was over here. It was up like 25, 30% over here at 12.5 cents. But since then, it's fallen off rather drastically, actually, and very quickly, going from 12.5 cents down to 10 cents. Bouncing back nicely throughout the day, though, and currently sitting at 11.28 cents. So I would hope that Shiba Inu coin follows, but I don't know why Doge is so far outpacing it right now. Let's see. Darker and Broker. I seen your title of your YouTube video, 1 million honorarium giveaway. Dude, win it, man. Swap anytime, anywhere. Do they have this for wives and girlfriends? They might, man. They might. If that's the answer, I do. Or if they do, I do not know where. Hey, bro, what do you think of RTX as a dividend stock? Tim, let's check out RTX. Well, dude, 2.62%. I mean, I don't know if that's anything to write home to your mom about, but 2.62% is excellent. Okay, it's a little lower than you could get on cash. You can take your cash to the bank or open a money market account and hit 5% right now. Let's see if they've constantly grown or held the same. Yeah, so one of the things that I do like is that each one of these dividends has continued to increase by about 10%. Ooh, no. They did come back down here. Alright, well that I can see, man. That's a major decline. Going from 140, just dumping in 2020, and losing their dividend. So, as the stock price has slowly increased, the dividend has slowly increased as well. I don't like that 2020 decline, but I really don't know what these guys do. Overall, very, very nice monthly graph. These guys are long-term gainers, going from basically $2 back in the 1990s to $90 where they're at right now, with a major decline in 2020. We know why they were declining in 2020. Everybody was imprisoned in their own homes. But, yeah, you know, I think you could do better in terms of like passive income or yields concerning their dividend. But at the same time, man, you know, you've got capital gains that are accompanied with this. It's not just the dividend income you'd be getting by investing in RTX. So, yeah, I don't mind that dividend income at all. 2.92% isn't bad because you have the capital gains. If you're just in it for the dividend, I mean, dude, you'd probably be better off in cash. Let's see. Diffie, it hasn't. But the bros will help each other out, man. Heck yeah, that's fact. Why hasn't Lunk followed the recent pump like other alts? Lewis, it might just not be popular enough right now. I don't know the answer directly as to why we haven't been pumping like some of the other coins have been pumping, and why we haven't been following Bitcoin massively higher. But it could just simply do with the fact that the volume is not necessarily there. $20 to $50 million a day on average in volume, we might not be able to keep up with the current trends, and it might be a little bit detached from the overall market. Let's see. I mean, if you buy Shiba today and spend even $1,000, is it even worth it still? Even if you hold for another couple years, get your game on. So that to me depends on how you define worth it, right? If you're looking for 10, 20, 30x gains or something like that, I'm going to be skeptical that that's going to be worth it for you. But if you're looking for something that has essentially found its bottom, okay, in the 700 to 1,000 point per coin range, if you're looking for something that has major support down there, if you're looking for something that has millions of holders, okay, as long as you're not after 10, 20, 30x gains, and that's what you call a success, I would say, yeah, dude, Shiba Inu coin could do very well for you. But its price action has not followed Bitcoin as closely as a lot of people would want. And, you know, Bitcoin doubling, tripling over the last couple of months. Shiba Inu coin has not done that. Let's see. RTX, I saw that drop off too. Yeah, man, Frank, it was crazy, wasn't it? Clay, if Ripple wasn't going through all this court stuff, what do you think Ripple will be at? Giovanni, just a guess, knowing full well that there's no way you could prove me right or wrong by saying it. I would honestly say it could be back in that $3 range, if not better. Okay? XRP peaked back in, was it 2018? I don't know when the peak for XRP was. Yeah, back here at the beginning of 2018, end of 2017. XRP ripped up, man, and peaked in the $3 range. I do think that XRP could hit those levels again, and probably would be at those levels if you didn't have to deal with all the SEC court nonsense, or even higher. Okay, now I know that this coincides with the decline in Bitcoin at the time. It coincides with all of the nonsense surrounding the SEC investigation, the court case, and all of that. So XRP is subdued because they're constantly in court. But I don't. They wouldn't have been able to keep this growth up right here. I mean, this is just nuts, dude. Going from 20 cents to $3 in a matter of like a month. You can't keep growing by 10x month over month over month. So my best guess is that they would have been able to hit those levels in 2021. And since Bitcoin is testing the same levels, XRP would be testing the same levels, if not even better. So, I mean, it's unfair, dude, because it is literally just a guess. You can't tell me I'm right. You can't tell me I'm wrong. But yeah, man, that's what I would say if they didn't have to go through all the court. Clay, what happened to that dude who used to give you $1,000 super chats? He literally paid your way through college, so you didn't have to be Magic Mike. TV Dog, man, you might be talking about Grandpa Barney, right? Grandpa Barney used to be a huge super chatter. I've not seen Grandpa Barney in here, I think, since my birthday in 2022. Maybe my birthday, I don't think it was my birthday in 2023. I don't know if he came around for 2023. But haven't seen Grandpa Barney in a very long time. I do hope that Grandpa Barney is doing well, but I haven't even seen him posting out on X. So I hope that he's okay. I know he had a lot of AMC and GameStop and stuff, so hopefully he's okay, man. But I haven't seen Grandpa Barney in quite some time. Let's see. It's Arathia, and I just got a huge missiles contract. The decline in 2020 was 100%. Yeah, there you go. Tim, very well could have been, man. And hopefully they're making their way back up right now. Kleber, do you know anything about smart? I do not know anything about smart aliens. Johnny, you want to look them up? I mean, we can pull them up here, but I don't know anything about that project. Smart aliens. Interesting. It's tiny, dude. $598,000 market cap. Well, it's very interesting that it's been out since June of 2023, and it's just now starting to rip. So, yeah, dude, this was a low of like 4 zeros and a 6, currently sitting at 2 zeros and a 1. Dude, nearly a 50x gain since the lows there to the highs here. So, that's crazy because a 50x gain would mean that it had like a $10,000 market cap. So, still extremely small. Honestly, just above the price of Honorarium right now in terms of market cap. But I don't know anything about what they do. It's just very, very tiny. Smash the like, bros. Listen to Shiba and click that like button. Target $25. Ban social impact bonds. Crypto in ESG. AMP, Ampio, a Pharma, Amex. Be there. Learn the real strategy. Danny, yeah, you could do, man. But $25 target on what? What ticker are you talking about? RTX for the industrial sector looks to outperform others. I'm looking at any defense contracts coming up. There you go, guys. LimeWire. Ricky, man. I got to pull up LimeWire. I know Ricky was making bank on LimeWire, and hopefully he still is. Ooh, if he was before, he is now, because he was doing well at 66 cents, and it broke through those levels. We must have looked at it where, Ricky? Back here? What is that, 10 days ago? We must have been, I think you were in 66 cents, so it actually could have been right here. Ricky, dude, continues to move higher along with Bitcoin. A beautiful $44 million market cap. And hopefully it continues higher for you, Ricky. Hey, Clay, what do you think would be the price of Pepe if Coinbase lists it? Johnny, let me put it this way. If Coinbase lists Pepe is currently at a $1.2 billion valuation. I am just guessing, but maybe $2 billion, right? I don't even know if Coinbase will be able to do that much for it. So it's already a $1 billion asset, man. In order to reach a $2 billion asset kind of level, you're going to have to see a lot of money flowing in. And I don't know if Coinbase has that much money for, from investors right now to pump up the market cap another $1 billion. I don't know what the total liquidity looks like, which would help. But yeah, dude, you're going to need a lot of money to go from a $1 billion to a $2 billion market cap. So I don't think it would, 10, 20x the price of Pepe, if that's what you're thinking there. Someone please light the wick on my Unibot coins. Let's go, man. Let's see where we are. Or let's see where we are with Unibot. Didn't Giovanni, didn't you have Unibot? Did you have Unibot? Or what was it now? I thought you had Unibot. Unibot sitting at $53.82. All right, it is back down a little bit at support, which is nice to see. So major support lines in the $30 area, but also what we've been testing towards the end of 2023 is this 40 to 50, 40 to 50, 40 to 50, 40 to 50, 40 to 50. So we are at a level of support right now. And of course, even if it does fall a little bit, you're going to be sitting in support between 40 and 50 on Unibot there. Marathon Digital, huge beat. CEO will be talking about Bitcoin becoming the global one world currency. Garrett's, let's check out Marathon Digital and see where it's at. If it was $3 in 2017, you think it would only be $3 in 2024? Giovanni, the only reason I say that is because of how fast it grew back then, right? And I also don't know if there's more or less coins outstanding right now compared to where its market cap was and all that. I know they're centralized, and I know they could issue additional coins, so I really don't know all of that. But, dude, that was such a ridiculous growth at the end of 2017 that I would expect they would be somewhere around there. Do you have a cool cheat? Do you have a cool cheat on chart symbols? No, Rodney. So if you're asking if I have some sort of a cheat sheet where I can see anything about charts, no, I don't have anything like that. Grandpa Barney and Slip Jones never been in the same room together. Conspiracy. Yeah, matter of fact, Diffie Dog. Slip Jones slid out. Grandpa Barney slid in. Yeah, I don't know, man. That is a pretty interesting conspiracy. Where Farmy late, bro? Clay, bro. Yeah, let's check out where Farmy is. Never in a million years would I thought Jasmine would go as high as it did. How high did it go, dude? Did it break 2 cents? Dang. It did break 2 cents. Jasmine broke 2 cents, man. Wow. And ripping beyond that, Jasmine sitting at a $1 billion market cap. And dude, just last month it was at half a cent. Jasmine up 4x in the last month. A 300% gain. Very, very nice for anybody who is holding Jasmine. I want to look at Marathon Digital real quick to see if they're going up nicely today with their... Okay, so they had an earnings report. They had a positive earnings report, I see, if they beat their expectations. And they're up 4% after hours. But guys, this is a very volatile candle, okay? They sold off. People are already starting to buy back in. And sitting at $32, you guys can see just in the last 5-minute candle here. It's gone from 31 to 32, about to touch 33, potentially ripping even higher. Now, I'd be a little cautious about their beat here. The halving is going to cut their revenue in half, so I would watch out for that. Wait, when is the next Bro Decal giveaway? I don't even know what's coming up. I feel like my birthday might be too far away to do a giveaway, but my birthday is definitely, 2 months away? 3 months away. So that for sure. But I need some more. I got plenty of stickers, but I need some more of the transfer tape if I'm going to do some giveaways. Very good question, Shay, bro. Gio, it's going to pump even more. I got 50,000 Jasmine. Wish I would have gotten more. Chris, I hope it does, man. If you're sitting on some Jasmine, look, dude, I don't know how high I can go. Okay, I know it's been diluted like crazy. I know it's sitting on $1 billion market cap, and the all-time high market cap is like 1.5 or 1.2 billion. So another 20% increase, and you're sitting at all-time highs. That's what I'd be watching out for. Marathon Digital, apparently doing very well, up 2% after hours on an earnings beat. Oh yeah, I was going to look at this one here. Farmy, sitting at $1.10 today. Dude, look how weak this volume is here. Literally 700, 5,000, 200, $136 during a 5-minute period. Put it on the 1-minute chart. This looks like Braille. Terrible. 18,000 shares traded on that minute right there, and it went down. Must have been somebody selling off. Gosh, dude. Dude, when I was buying Farmy back in 2021, oh, jeez. Is it the equivalent of $449 from where it's at right now? And it has literally done nothing but go down. Guys, this is proof, okay? That not all stocks recover. That dollar cost averaging in and continuing to buy does not always work on an individual level. Market-wide, it has always worked. But, dude, Farmy is an absolute scam. You look at it going here in the last 2 years from $400 to $1. But look where it was before that. $2,000 per share. I mean, Farmy absolutely scamming everybody who's invested in it. And I don't like when people get taken advantage of. AMC must have been oh, geez, dude. AMC dipping from $5 to $4. A 20% sell-off after hours. Bouncing back a little bit right now. Sitting down 9% after hours. Anybody realize that Adam Aron is destroying retail once again? Punching them while they're already down? What a jerk, man. What a jerk. Sold my Unibot long time ago for $59. Giovanni. Alright, I thought you had Unibot, but I wasn't sure. Richard! Thank you very much for the member chat. Richard's been a bro for 10 months. Well, 10 months of fun and great company. Richard, absolutely, man. And thank you very much for keeping that green name for 10 months, dude. I hope it turns into 10 years. 10 years is a very long... 10 months is a long time, and 10 years is a very long time. Honorarium to $1 billion market cap. Ken, bro, if Honorarium goes to a $10 billion market cap, and I am still holding, I'll buy you whatever you want, okay? I'll buy you whatever you want. I don't even think that'll be possible. Can you imagine, Ken? Yes, I can. Farmy going down. Oh, my gosh. Well, this is bro's career prospects. Crazy, man. I believe Coinbase stopped the momentum. Bitcoin hit 64,000. Coinbase goes down. Bitcoin hits 60,000 instantly. Richard, very well could have been it. Now, Bitcoin bouncing back up a little bit right now. It's coming back off these lows at 60,000 flat. Currently sitting at $60,400. Shiba Inu coin trying to bounce back a little bit from support at 1120. Tapping that like 3 times over the last couple of hours. So we might be setting up support, man. I don't know. But, yeah, a lot of people getting nervous. And you can see that in the daily candle here. Right, very, very strong wick, very, very strong pullback off this level up here, which is all-time high levels. I mean, you can see we've only ever wicked above that level. We tested 64,200 today, right here. We have only ever wicked above that level. So we are at all-time highs, man. Bitcoin is at all-time highs right now, barring that wick. Yeah, we've never closed, essentially on the week, never closed above the current levels. So it's going to be interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts to it. Anybody who is held through the bear market is essential. Dude, if you would have cost averaged down at all during the bear market, barring that you didn't buy on the one day that we were higher, Everybody who owns Bitcoin is making money right now, which is exactly what I want to see. The Chinese vengeance for all the Americans taking advantage of Chinese IPOs. Yeah, dude, they're getting us back, Tim. They're getting us back. At least they're not selling us bad mushrooms. Let's see. Sold Unibot October 21st for 59. It took a loss. Dang. Well, it is a little lower than that right now, Giovanni. No, David, I don't think Coinbase would have manipulated the rally on purpose. If they did, they deserve to be punched in the face. No doubt about that. They would definitely deserve to be punched in the face if they did that. And they would have reason to do it, right? They're the custodian for Grayscale and probably some other major investment firms that hold that are in custody of these investment firms' Bitcoin, I should say. So if these investment firms wanted to buy in or buy more before the real rally started, I mean, Coinbase would have reason to go in there and glitch their system so it shows zero balances and so on. But, dude, I mean, if that ever came out, yeah, that's worse than Robinhood. Well, I don't know if it's better or worse, but that's the equivalent of Robinhood taking the buy button away back in 2021 when GameStop and AMC were ripping. So, yeah, dude, I would hope they didn't do that. Seriously. Been a member for 10 months times 3. Heck yeah, Pudgy, but didn't you say just 10 months or something ridiculous? Everybody's 10 months today. Clay, whatever happened to Litecoin? It's no longer in use, or did it just lose its popularity? Giovanni, I think people I think still invest in Litecoin, but I think it's lost its popularity, right? Litecoin was very popular a long time ago, 2017 and so on. I don't even know if you can pull it up on here. Does it still tick? Wow, they still have it listed. So, yeah, man, Litecoin doing very well at the beginning of 2021. Litecoin doing very well during the 2017 bull market rally. Litecoin, dude, we've marked up the chart for Litecoin, right? So you can see these levels of support and resistance. Do you see this yellow line? I don't even know when we put this on here, but look at this yellow line, okay? I can't give you any financial advice, right? But it has followed this yellow line since it really took off back in 2017. So if you want a buy-in level on Litecoin, you might not rip up 10, 20x or anything like that. But, dude, buy in at this level right here. And honestly, next level buy-in would probably be between $65 and $66 to $67. So if it dips down to those levels, Litecoin is probably going to be a pretty good buy based on that technical analysis there. Let's see. Don't you wish you bought Ethereum when I said to buy it at 2,400? Giovanni, I wish I would have bought everything the moment that you said to buy it, man. Even if Ethereum was hitting fresh highs at 2,400, yes, I would have loved to do that, man. Hey, Clay, what's your real TikTok page? I want to follow you over there because I post a lot of content over there. Wrecking Force Photography. It should just be Claybro883. I think I have like 7,000 or 8,000 followers on TikTok. $64.81. I got $64.81 on TikTok. I actually think I think there's a link if you click on my YouTube channel. I think there's a link directly to it. So this is this one right here. I know it's backwards, but $64.81 is how much I got. Just Claybro883. And like everything else, man, there's a lot of fake news guys out there, so be very careful with all of the scammers, because I don't know what their intentions are, man, but they're not good if they're pretending to be somebody else. Was it Ecuador that bought a bunch of Bitcoin and took a kick to the... Oh my gosh, I bet they're happy today. Yeah, I think it was Ecuador, because I don't think it was El Salvador. I think it was Ecuador. I think you're right on that, Tim. Let's see, eggplant Adamarin. That's right, and it's selling back off right now. Watch out for AMC, guys. It is selling back off. If AMC would just sterilize their cup holders, we would moon. Probably right on that, Outdoor Smile. You're probably right, man. Richard Green, Coinbase did the same thing with Shiba Inu when Shiba Inu was ripping, and Coinbase crashed the Shiba dump right after. Two-pet. Look, man, I don't remember Coinbase doing that back then, but if they did that, very strange coincidence that happened to them twice on a major rally there. It wasn't just the point of showing zero. It stopped all the buying also. Oh, jeez. Yeah, Richard, man, then I don't know. I mean, we could sit here and speculate all day, and if they did, like, they do deserve to be punched in the face, man, but I don't know if they did or not. That's kind of crazy. Oh, jeez. Coinbase turned off. Yeah, it sounds like Coinbase turned off all the buttons, J-Bones. Showing you how much money you had. Wouldn't let you buy, wouldn't let you sell. I don't know about that. It's probably about to be 6482. Wrecking Force Photography. Let's just see if it turns to 6482. Let's just see. Is he fake newsing me again? Well, he hasn't hit the follow button yet. Wrecking Force Photography hasn't hit the follow button yet. I gotta go check that out. TikToks for teenage girls and Chinese spies, man. Well, 6481 spies out there. So I remember when I bought Banana Gun at $11. It really took off. Wish I would have held longer. Golly, bum. Let's see where it's at right now. I know, Tim, but I'm posting a lot of racing content there and growing it slowly. There you go, Wrecking Force. Anyone heard of the token called Honorarium? I'm getting in on this one. Great upward movement. I have heard of Honorarium. Yes, I think if you've been in this channel for any amount of time, you have heard of Honorarium. That's Tico. Hey, anybody buy that to jump the price back up to 24.46 from 23? Thank you. Nice little buy right there from somebody. FBZWK. Thanks for coming in, man. Bouncing the price a little bit. HRM. Honorarium. Honorarium sitting at $35.93 right now. $35.93. Had a nice little barrage of buys coming in this afternoon after OX92 sold off. Nicely done, guys. Bouncing the price back up a little bit. And currently sitting at $35.93 right now. Good to see on Honorarium. Banana Gun. Let's see where Banana Gun is. Buying at 11, it would have been very nice to hold the 32. Yes, it would, man. 34 earlier today. All-time high? Yeah, all-time high. Dude, Banana Gun sitting at an all-time high right now. Really no pullbacks except for this little level right here. So, yeah, not bad at all. I mean, you could have got it. So you did good, though, right? I don't think you got in after mid-January of 2024. So you did good, though, because you could have easily gotten back in at this $9 area if you really wanted to. Because if you were buying at 11, you know, you could have bought in at 9. You would have thought that was cheap. But, yeah, dude. That's a nice rally for a coin called Banana Gun. It's very difficult to imagine coins like that moving very high, but they seem to do it. Figured out, I've been following your page already, so I had the right one. Darn it, that's why it's not moving up, man. Somebody else go follow that page. 6481, and it is still 6481. Anyone owe it because pause the stream. Yeah, it's true. And then you got to close out, you got to come back, you got to watch another ad. It's crazy, man. Anyone in here heard of... Oh, so that token called Honorarium Momentum is just around the corner. Just around the river bend, I know what's more. Honorarium around the shore. Honorarium. Yeah, dude, Honorarium, the gains just around the corner. When Honorarium drops 3 zeros, it will be named Honorarium. Dark broke. When Honorarium drops 3 zeros, I am going to be ecstatic, my friend. Ecstatic. I don't know. All of Clibo's graphics are AMC, Shib, and Lunk. Until I see an Honorarium icon, I'll only trust AMC, Shib, And a lunk. Oh, man. Oh, man. What are you doing? What are you... I don't know if you should trust AMC. I don't really know if you should trust Terra Luna Classic. Terra Luna Classic's a lottery ticket play, right? I don't know. I wouldn't trust the guys that are working on Terra Luna Classic. Dang, Tim, when you put it that way, man, I need to throw some Solana on there. Maybe that T-Man coin. Gosh, dude, what are we doing not pumping our bags? Man, dude, I own so few AMC, I couldn't care less if they go to $1,000 a share. Or $0 a share. We gotta get some other coins in there, man. T-Man coin put on there. Dude, I wouldn't be able to put a T-Man coin. I promise you, YouTube would probably ban me the moment that I put that on a thumbnail. And it wouldn't even be anything political either. It would just be the icon of a coin. You made money with Banana Gun, but would have made much more. Giovanni, yes you would have, man. I sold my XRP today. I'm so done. I've been holding for 2 years. Picked up Caspa, and I feel much better with Caspa. We $4 to $7 this bull run. Let's get started. Richard, man. Listen, I do still believe in XRP, but I know your frustration. Right? I know your frustration with that. And it's because of all the court cases. It's because of all the legal battles that they're going through. Hopefully one day those do end. And hopefully one day XRP can rip, man. But Caspa is also, it is also a very strong coin. Real Boss Man, what's going on? 69 coin. Real Boss Man, didn't we look that up? We can look it up again. Anyone want to pump my loot bag? Pump my T-Man bag. I'll pump your lunk bag. Wrecking Force Photography. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, Wrecking Force. It went from $2. Oh, that's a 69 coin. Singing lessons. Ah, jeez. I'm going to spend that $1 on singing lessons. All right. I spent that $1 on singing lessons. And it's just the same, just around the river bend. Don't you know my name? Just around the river bend. Wrecking Force Photography, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. And of course, thank you very much for making fun of me and the way that I sing. I see what you're doing. Hoyro is using reverse psychology. He has AMC up there, but it says don't buy it. It's the first thing you see when you're waiting for the stream. One of us. One of us. One of us. One of us. I really am not. I really don't have very much. I promise I'm not trying to pump AMC. Promise. I really don't care if it goes up or down. It's not even reverse psychology. It's just the truth. 45 cents is the equivalent of where AMC is at. The vast majority of my shares, 99% of them, were taken when they took my covered calls at $5 a share. And then, well, the next, essentially, 90% of them were taken because they did a 1-for-10 reverse split. And I had 10 times less shares. So, yeah, they took another 90% of my shares when they did that 1-for-10 reverse split in the ape conversion. So, dude, does that leave me with 1%? Roughly 1%? Yeah. Right? 10%. Yeah. I think that leaves me with 1% of my shares. So I have 1% of the original shares left. Do whatever you want with AMC. I stopped believing in Santa Claus when I discovered that these were real. Honorarium, Shib, XRP, T-Coins, baby. Let's get started. Oh, yeah. Dude, we're going to make some money on those T-Coins this year. I know we will. Honorarium's going to pump during the bull market. I know it will. And then wait until Brocoin comes out, too. We're going to make so much money, it's not even going to be funny, guys. Oh, my goodness. If Shib burns another 0, I will sell. Giovanni, I think a lot of people will sell if Shib burns another 0, man. Dead serious? I think you should be looking at slightly less than that. I really don't know if people are going to be able to wait for it that long. Who doesn't follow who on TikTok, Mr. Claybro? I don't follow you on TikTok? Is that what we're saying here? I mean, that could be very true. I don't actually know. Claybro sings, my dog starts to howl. Your dog's got good taste, my friend. Your dog's singing along. Think about that. Dog singing along. It's paired with Bone, so it should be doing well. All right, it's Real Boss Man, 69. Let's see where the 69 coin is on Shibarium. I think it's this one, right? Dude, I remember you made us look at this a couple of weeks ago, and it might have been down in this area right here. Might have been here, though. I don't know where you had us look at it before. But 69, dude. Not bad at all. $80,000 market cap. So it's still very, 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 very tiny coin. But that's because there's only 69 of these coins in circulation. Very, very low number, man. So 69 coin actually performing very well there on Shibarium. I mean, decent volume for a tiny little coin. So congratulations, Real Boss Man. Not bad there. 46 people in here. The bull market's over. The bull market happened this morning, and the bull market ended this afternoon. Sorry about that, guys. It is a dead indicator. I mean, you do know if there's like 1,000 people in here, probably is the bull market rally, and then it's time to sell. Pudgy. My bad, man. My bad. I didn't mean to not follow you. I'll gladly follow you guys out on TikTok. I don't spend too much time on there. I've been real busy, especially helping my brother a lot lately. But yeah, man, I don't mind following you guys at all on TikTok. I'll watch you. Let's see, 50 watching, 30 likes. Hit that like button. Listen to Richard selling half my Shib if it hits 001. Dude, sell it all, man. Sell it all. I don't care if you sell half of it, if you sell 10% or what. Buy Bitcoin, so we'll go down more. Steve Danger. That's an excellent idea right there. I should go out. I should buy Bitcoin. I should dump the price, sacrifice myself so everybody in here can get one last dip before the final rip and the price goes even higher. Anybody else, listen, I'll do it if I need to. But does anybody else mind sacrificing themselves? Buying some Bitcoin right now? Dropping the price a little bit? I don't know, maybe back to like 30,000 or something. Letting all the bros jump in and then we all take off and ride off into the sunset together. On a magic carpet ride. Yeah, something like that. It would sound perfect to me. Follows you. Unsurprisingly, you ignored that and didn't follow back. In true fashion, Pudgy. In true fashion. I probably saw it come on the screen. Said, yeah, right, that's Pudgy. Ignore that. Let's see. Tanner, hopefully up in price, man. Hopefully up. Tim says, nope, today was a day to take profits and smile. Heck yeah. Real Boss Man, thank you very much for bringing it up. Dude, we'll look at anything in this live stream. It's what it's all about. I don't care. There's absolutely no content on my TikTok. TikTok, not TikTok. I don't know what TikTok is, man. Guys, is Link dead? No. Anything that does $20 to $50 million a day in volume is not dead, man. But I don't necessarily like the ecosystem team. That's a fact. Let's go to the moon. Let's get it, man. Let's get started. Savage AF. You gotta be savage, dude. Luke is not dead. No. Hey, Steve Danger. Hey, Shib, bro. Heck yeah. Where do you see Shib long term? Brian! You just asked me the same thing as Tanner. Brian, are you and Tanner the same person? Sometimes I wonder if you guys are bots. If you come in here and ask me the exact same question. Brian, you asked literally the exact same question, man. Where do you see Shib long term? Where do you see Shib 2 to 3 years from now? I mean, hopefully up. It is true. Darker. I'm trying to help people expand the horizons and grow their bank. That's exactly what we all should be doing. All right, guys, time for me to go. Everybody have a good evening. Dark broke. Buy some more T-Coin tonight, man. Pump that price up a little bit. Give me some leg room. Kenbro. I like Caspa better than Jasmy, okay? Now, that probably depends on who you ask, right? I personally like Caspa better than Jasmy. Just look at the two graphs. Let me show you why I like Caspa better than Jasmy, okay? Caspa literally sitting at 17 stinking cents, man. PS5 Future Gaming bought probably on 100x leverage right here. That might be why we never saw this dude again. He might have ended up making $1 million and cashing out. I don't know, but he bought on leverage at 4 cents the last day that it was touching it, and then it ripped higher from there. So he might be doing very, very well right now. I don't know, but we haven't seen PS5 literally since that day. Look at Caspa's all-time graph, man. Up 93,000%. Coming out in June of 2022. Only ever moving higher. Caspa is one that you missed. Now, it's still only at a $3 billion market cap, and clearly it's got the potential to go to a $30 billion market cap. So you could turn this 92,000 into another 1,000% gain getting in right now. Look at Jasmy long term. Okay, if you look at Jasmy's all-time graph, yes, it's doing very well over the last month. Going up 310% over the last month, awesome. But because of the dilution, look at how far down the price has come. I don't like a graph that looks like that. Now, the market cap, though, the market cap is currently coming back up to test all-time high market caps. So, something to consider, something to watch, absolutely, and it could continue moving higher. But based on the price action, I'm in favor of Caspa. Only between those two, I'm in favor of Caspa right there. TLOS, all right, and Perp. Let's go. Vote for T while you're at it. Well, dude, I'm not going to vote early. So, buying now, voting later. Good night. Richard, good night to you, my friend. Okay, will Shiba burn another 0 in 25 vote? It was close in 2020. Giovanni, if it does, man, if it does, I'm going to be, listen, I'll be very happy if it does. And I know other people will as well. Perpcoin, Perpcoin, Perpcoin. Where is Perpcoin? Perpetual Protocol sitting at $1.34. It is down 7.5% of the day today. Tim hasn't been able to recover from that dip when Bitcoin started to sell off there. So Perp moving from $1.43 down to $1.25, back up to $1.34 there. Down pretty big from where it was just last year, 2 years ago in 2021, 2022. So yeah, Perpcoin at $1.34 at the moment. But if you look at the annual graph, still doing very well, bouncing off these August lows of 40 cents to sit at $1.34 right now. So Perp looking pretty good. Let's see. No, it is not Caspa. Not on no exchanges. I don't know where Caspa's at, right? I don't know where Caspa's listed. But if you're dealing with Robin the Hood, that's on you. Didn't Robin Hood screw people? They did. Darker and Broker. They did. They took the buy button away. And wouldn't let people buy. I don't even know if they would let them sell or not. My thoughts on Shib long term. JB. Very similar to my thoughts on Shib long term 5 minutes ago. I hope that Shib goes up long term. But if Shib continues to rely on the ecosystem team, I think that Shib goes down long term. Shiba Inu Coin is much stronger as a community than they are relying on the ecosystem team to do anything. And what a beautiful question to end the live stream with. Beautiful question. Guys, it's 5 o'clock. JB, man, thank you very much for asking my thoughts on Shib long term. Everybody else in the chat right now, make sure to get your names in the chat. We're going to do some shout outs. We will be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. You got a sponsored video coming out, I believe, at 7. Please watch it. Make sure to click the link in the description. Engage with it. If you want to buy, okay, I'm going to tell you right now. It's a pre-sale. The pre-sale timer, their hard cap is sold out. They are launching in 6 days. So if you want to jump in at the final pre-sale price before the launch, it launches in 6 days. This is your last opportunity. Okay, so make sure to check it out. And, I do get credit if you guys click on that link in there. So make sure to engage with that video in tonight's, I believe, 7 p.m. video. Let's do these shout-outs, man. Pudgy, see you later. Pudgy saying, peace out to the diamond-handed cool bros. Frank, man, see you later. Darker and Broker. Shib, bro, see you later. Tim, we got Alila Gamer, see you later. Pudgy, King, Darker and Broker, Pudgy, Richard, J-Bones, baby, have a great one. Next Level, see you later. Geoped, Rodney, Master, Bender, Pudgy, Tim, Next Level, Darker and Broker, Pudgy, Richard, Darker, all of you guys, you know what time it is. Brian, Next Level, Tim, you want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.